Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Coffee and English.
Hello, it is great to see you. Today, we have a very important topic. We are going to talk about our daily routine.
That's right. Talking about your day is a great way to practice simple verbs. So let's start at the beginning, the morning.
The very first thing I do is wake up. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 in the morning.
6:30, that is early. I like to sleep a little more. I turn off my alarm clock and stay in bed for 5 more minutes.
After I wake up, I don't stay in bed. I get out of bed right away. I step onto the floor and stretch.
What do you do next? For me, coffee is very important. I go to the kitchen to make coffee.
I understand that. I also need my coffee. After I make coffee, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. It's very important to have clean teeth.
I agree. I brush my teeth and then I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel awake.
After I am clean and awake, I get dressed. I pick out my clothes for the day.
And after you get dressed, it's time to eat breakfast. I love breakfast. I usually eat cereal with fruit. What about you?
I usually eat toast and an egg. After breakfast, I am ready to go. I leave the house and travel to work.
That is a busy morning. We used many verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, make coffee, brush teeth, wash face, get dressed, eat, and leave.
Now, let's talk about the workday. When I arrive at the office, the first thing I do is start my computer and check my emails.
I do the same thing. I sit down and check emails. Sometimes I have many emails to read.
After emails, I often have meetings. I talk with my colleagues about our projects.
Yes, meetings are a big part of the day. Around 1 p.m., I feel hungry. I stop working and have lunch.
Me too. Sometimes I go out to eat. Maybe I buy a sandwich.
Going out is nice, but I often bring my lunch from home. I pack a lunchbox in the morning. It saves money.
That's a good idea. After lunch, I go back to my desk. It is time to finish my work. I have to concentrate.
The workday usually finishes at 5 p.m. The clock shows 5 and I am ready to go home.
Finally, I close my computer and leave the office. I am happy to open my front door and be home.
When I get home, the first thing I want to do is relax. I sit on my comfortable sofa.
That sounds nice. I like to relax too. I often watch TV for a little while.
After I relax, it's time to cook dinner. Tonight, I think I will cook pasta. I love to cook.
Cooking is a great skill. After dinner, I like to do something quiet. I read a book.
Reading is a wonderful way to end the day. Before I go to sleep, I like to prepare for tomorrow. I get my clothes ready for the next day.
That is very organized. My last step is simple. I go to bed. I am usually tired.
Yes, at the end of a long day, it feels so good to get into bed and go to sleep.
Wow, that is our whole day, from morning to night.
Listeners, we used so many important verbs today. Wake up, eat, work, check, have, cook, relax, read, go to bed, and many more.
Now it is your turn. We want to hear about your day. Practice your English with us.
In the comments below, write 3 simple sentences. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? And what do you do in the evening?
Thank you for learning with us at Coffee and English. Keep practicing, and we will see you next time.